So hello, this is the activity number 2, which having two buttons, the reset button and the set button. So this is the codes. So integer set button, which is nasa 15, and integer reset button ay nasa 50. Pin 16 naman. Then Boolean set button state and reset button state is both false. Then integer counter equals to 0. Then integer delay is 60 and 80 seconds. Then void setup, pin mode of set button and reset button are both input. And 4, ang first statement na int equals to 3, then I is greater than equals 13. Dito lalabas yung result or yung output. Then void loop. Void loop set button. Void loop set button is when you click this, the sequence will gonna loop. Then void reset button. If the reset button is true, then it will gonna reset. Then magde-delay siya ng 20 seconds. While the set button naman ay may delay na 10 seconds. So void counter increment. So void counter increment while set button state is true, then maghihintay siya. Then void waiting. Void waiting, ito yung code na kapag ang set button state ay true, ito ay gagana at may delay na 10 seconds. Then void set button. Void set button, ito yung kapag nag-click ka ng 1 is magiging sequence 1 hanggang maging sequence number 5. Then if counter is less than equals 7, ito yung kapag click mo ng 7 clicks sa start button is makikita mo ito na pumipindot pero walang resulta. Then last, so ito po yung codes last activity para sa LED 1 to LED 11. So we're going to choose. So this is the Arduino Mega 2560. Then this is the set button. Then this is the reset button. So this is the 11 LEDs. Then resistors and ground. Sequence number 1. Then reset. Then sequence number 2. Twice mo po siyang i-click yung set button, then click or press the reset button. Then sequence number 3. 3 clicks po siya. Then reset. Then sequence number 4. 4 clicks po siya, then reset po. Then sequence number 5. 5 clicks mo siyang pipindutin doon sa set button. then reset. Then thank you po. And that is the two buttons and which is the set button and reset button.